Hello students, so let's get started. We are learning Python and today's our topic are Python character set, Python tokens, variables, concept of L values and R value and use of comments. So yes, Python character set, a Python character set is a set of valid characters acceptable by a programming language. Python support all ASCII and Unicode characters. So basically हर एक लैंग्वेज के लिए एक करेक्टर सेट होता है. करेक्टर सेट का बेसिक फंडा क्या है? करेक्टर सेट का बेसिक फंडा ये है कि हर लैंग्वेज का कुछ ना कुछ तो कीवर्ड्स, कुछ कैरेक्टर्स कुछ तो होंगे ना, जिससे वो वेरिएबल्स के थ्रू या सिंबल्स के थ्रू वो रिकॉग्नाइज कर सके अपनी हर एक स्टेटमेंट को, ताकि हम फर्दर कंप्यूटर के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकें, राइट? सो इफ वी हैव Python valid character set, so the valid characters include alphabets, digits, special symbols, white spaces. Alphabets can be from capital A to capital Z, small a to small z. Then उसके बाद digits, all digits, so 0 to 9 it include all the digits, and special symbol it include all the special symbols. Okay, white spaces, this include all the white space, blank space, new lines, carry returns. And ASCII characters, so basically ASCII stands for the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Mean to say, in ASCII encoding, each of the character have their some particular value, like A has been assigned 65 value inside this ASCII coding, right? And like B has 66 value, C 67, and so on. Okay, then come to the Python tokens. So smallest unit in programming is called tokens. Tokens are used to create statement and इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. सो पाइथन के अंदर टोकन्स होते हैं. टोकन्स क्या है? स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट है. सो बेसिकली अगर हम कोई भी सपोज अगर हम इंग्लिश भी बोल रहे हैं तो उसके लिए भी हमें वर्ड्स बनाने पड़ेंगे. ओके, देन वर्ड्स के साथ हमारे क्या बनते हैं? स्टेटमेंट बनते हैं. सो वर्ड्स क्या है? टोकन्स क्या है? दे आर द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट. ओके, सो जस्ट लाइक इन द सेम वे वी हैव tokens inside the Python. So keywords are called reserved words, have a particular significance or meaning. They are utilized for their unique qualities. In Python, we have 33 keywords. Some of them are try, in, raise, except or not, false, true, class, break, continue, as, assert, and so on. So there are 33 keywords in Python. So basically, they have their own meanings. Okay, like if in the real world we can't say mummy papa to everyone. Okay, we have some like unique person. Okay, so just like in the same way in Python we have some keywords. हम इनको कुछ कंडीशंस में यूज़ करते हैं. इनको तेरा स्पेशल मीनिंग होता है और आप इसको एक वेरिएबल्स की तरह यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. वेरिएबल्स होते हैं जिनको आप चेंज करते रहते हो. ठीक है, मम्मी पापा इज नॉट फॉर द चेंज. ओके, सेम वे कीवर्ड. ओके, then identifier, the name assigned to any variable, class, function, list, method, etc. for their identification are known as identifiers. Here are some rules to name an identifier. So basically in Python we have some rules to name a variable or to name an identifier. Okay, so basically identifiers are like, identifier can start with capital letters A to Z, small letters A to Z, and an underscore. Other than that, we can't start a identifier with any of this. Like we can't start it with the digits. Okay, like I also explained in this line. And we have to taken care of that because Python is a case sensitive, so case matters in the naming identifiers, and have computer and computer are two different identifier. If we write computer in capital and in computer in small letter, so both have different identifiers is counted in Python. Okay, so other rules are, any other special character or white spaces are strictly prohibited in an identifiers. So basically you can't, if like you can give a name to any identifier like string literals. This is like if I just remove the spaces, then it become an identifier. Okay, but if you in put a space between the character, this is not an identifier because it's a rule that you can't put a space between the characters. Okay. Okay, next is literals. Literals are the constant value that are fixed. We have string literals, character literals, numeric literals, boolean literals, and special literals. Okay, then operators. Python operators are the symbols used to perform operation on operands. That may be value, identifier, variables. The variables on which operation is applied are called operands. Operator can be unary or binary. Unary operators are the ones acting on a single operand like complement operator, etc. While binary operand need two operand to operate. Basically, you should know what is operator and what is operand. So basically, like this, these are the operands. A and B are the operands, and plus is the operator. And this is the unary operator where we just complement A. What is punctuator? So punctuator are the tokens that is used in Python to recognize the structure, statement, and expression. Some of the punctuator that are used inside the Python are these. Then come to the variables. Variables in Python refers to an object, an item, or element that is stored in the memory. So basically, each variable have some taken some space in the memory. Value of a variable can be a string, example t, or pick computer. Like I can like enter a string inside a variable. Okay, numeric or any combination of alphanumeric characters like this. In Python, we can use an assignment statement to create new variables and assign specific values to them. Like a equal to 39. I can assign value to variable. So basically, हमें नाम से पता लग रहा है variable जिसकी value हम change कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Then we have L value and R value concept. The operand on the left side of an assignment operator is modifiable, usually a variable. L value cannot be a function, expressions, or a constant like 6, 4, etc. Like L values क्या है, modifiable है, मतलब उसको हम change कर सकते हैं. और इस जो suppose this is a equal to 39, so L value is a. Okay, so this is modifiable. I can like put it C over here. Okay, and but L value cannot be a function, so I can't use if else there. Okay, so yeah, inside function I can't just use functions names like we have lambda functions in Python. Okay, so this is not in allowed in Python, but in R value pulls or fetch the value stored in the variable of constant. Basically R value is the on the right side of the assignment operator. And the use of comments. So basically in Python we use this symbol for the comments. Like the purpose of comments is to make the source code easier for human to understand. Comments are not executed by interpreter. In Python, a comment start with hash sign and everything following the hash till the end of the line is treated as a comment, and interpreter simply ignore it while executing the statement. So these are the topics that we explained today. So thank you.